Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I will be doing a Coach unboxing. It's been a while I haven't purchased anything from Coach, and this particular bag I already I have this in my radar for quite some time, and I finally got a chance to purchase it. So I got this in a regular price. And yeah, I am so excited to share this beautiful purse. And let me open the box for you guys. Right here. Wow. Look at that. Nice packaging. And I'm just gonna take this bag. And this one, they actually put this in a dust bag. Wow. Very lovely. And let me show you. Okay. Oh my gosh. And wow. So beautiful. Wow. Oh. Right away, I just felt that this bag is on the heavy side. Oh my gosh, look at that. So wow, so this is a Coach Ruby Satchel on the size 25. Let me see. Right here, yeah, in a size 25 and in the color black. Wow, look at how gorgeous she is. I mean, the reason I purchased this, it's because of the beautiful craftsmanship. As you guys can see right here, this one has a contrasting stitching, and I totally love the contrasting stitching and also the brass hardware. I mean, the brass hardware it's not really that shiny, which I love. And wow, look at that right here. I mean, I always call this one as a stripe, and of course this one right here always reminds me of the Louis Vuitton Keepall bags. Wow. So this is a combination of a smooth leather and pebbled leather. It seems like the pebbled leather, just right at the body of the purse itself, it has some sheen to it. It is shiny. Wow. I love the combination, apparently. Wow, it's so beautiful. Okay, so let me open the purse. I mean, this one obviously, oh wow, this one is fully stuffed. So let me just remove this stuffing before I continue. I was able to remove some of the stuffing, and this one came in with a strap, or you could wear it in your shoulder or crossbody, and it is made up of a gloved leather, smooth leather, just as similar as the same as the trim, and also with the handle. Okay, it seems like it is soft. And the interior, wow, the interior is stunningly beautiful. This one is made up of, I'm not sure if this is a microfiber or suede, but I know, yeah, I think this one is made up of microfiber lining though. I mean, maybe they have some sort of a specific fabric that they use, which is similar to suede or microfiber, but this one seems to look like similar to suede. Very nice. I think that what makes this purse a little bit on the heavy side, that's because of the lining itself. Right here, we have the patch grid on that side right there, and I totally love the fact that this one has a lighter, more of like a mustard yellow interior lining, and when you put your stuff inside your bag, you could easily like find it. That's because the lining is on the brighter side. But if this one is made up with all black, so I think I might need an organizer, since I think I will try to use my Louis Vuitton organizer from my Speedy 25. I'll try to use that. I believe that would fit in here, and I think it's going to be perfect. So there is a side pocket right here that has a zipper. This one is lined with the jacquard textile that they have, as usual. And then there were two pockets right here on this corner. Most of the time with purses, when there is like a pocket inside, I've never used it. I've actually never used any of those pockets. So let me just grab my Speedy organizer. So this is my Speedy organizer, and I think this one will fit. So the Speedy organizer that I've got, it will fit, but it may not be snug though. So let me just try to put that one inside. So let me try to put the organizer, and I hope this one fits. Okay, so let me just remove that shaper, and let's see. Oh my gosh, it does seem to look like it will fit. I think so. Oh wow, it fits. It fits inside the purse. Look at that. On this side, it looks perfect, but on the other side, it looks a little bit like distorted on this part, but I wouldn't mind. Okay, maybe I could just bend it right here this way. So I wouldn't mind bending this part right here, as long as I can protect the interior. Yeah, this is from my Speedy Bondoyer 25 in the Cognac color, and I think this is perfect. I don't need to buy an organizer. I think this is actually a perfect fit. Wow, I am totally surprised, actually. So that one is perfect right there. I'm going to leave it as it is. This is a shaper. I'm not going to use this. That's because this is a structured bag right here. And also this one has a feet right here. Really nice. And it says right here, genuine Gloveton pebbled leather. Right there. And I really love the fact that the feet were raised. It was actually raised above the leather. The reason why I said that, it's because I have some purses that has feet in it, but it seems like the feet were set a little bit like deeper, like something like this, deeper than the purse itself. So when you lay your purse on the table, it's, the leather is touching the surface, and I totally dislike that. So this one is, so you guys can see right there, those feet. Okay, and let's take a look at the side over here. I don't know what the purpose of this one on this corner. Right here, there's that lock, and also the zip pull tab right here. It has a leather. It is actually stiff right here, and it has the teeth are all made up of brass, and this one has two pull tabs right here. So let me show you. So the zipper is a little bit on It wasn't really that smooth though. Yeah. And wow, the contrasting stitching is absolutely beautiful. This one with the ruby 25, this purse really stood out because of the contrasting stitching. And also right here there were large stitching right here, and then this one and this part right here, there's like more micro stitching. So yeah, you can literally see those stitching. Wow, it's so beautiful, as well as the handle. That's what makes this purse so special. And yeah, well, I don't know. Earlier I've mentioned that this one is in a heavy side. That's because there is a strap on the inside, but it's still a little bit. If you started filling this in with your stuff, I think this one gets, yeah, really, gets heavy. But yeah, I totally love the look of it. And I finally decided to add her to my collection. And yeah, this is a type of purse that you don't need to worry about the stain, the scratches. That's because, it's a very low maintenance bag. That's because of the color. So yeah, wow. I still can't get over how beautiful it is. Wow, the stitching is absolutely gorgeous. And this one came in with, yeah, this is the hang tag in here. There were 2 hang tags right there, but most of the time when I used my Coach, I never put them in my purses. As much as possible, I don't want anything hanging in my purse like this one right here. Or maybe some charm. Sometimes I do that from time to time, but with my Coach, I've never wear them with the hang tag. So anyway, this is the latest addition to my Coach collection. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.